Hello programmers, welcome to my another video, and today I will solve the Canon problem, which is max and min. So let's open this one. So here basically it says given three numbers A, B and C, print the minimum and the maximum numbers and between them. So here for example, if the value of ABC is 1 2 3, the minimum number is 1 and the maximum is 3. So for this one, the minimum number is -3 and the maximum number is -1. So I have to print the minimum and maximum. So how can I do this? So at first copy the question name, uh, create a file .cpp. Okay, let's copy the previous code snippet, paste it here. I have to take three integer. So integer A, B and C, right shift C in, C in right shift A, B and C. So now print the minimum number and maximum number. So minimum number will be minimum A, B, C, print a space and print the maximum number max A, B, C. Okay, and at the end print a new line, basically end line. Okay, so this is the solution. It will print the minimum and maximum number between those numbers A, B and C. So let build this file g++ max and min. Okay, no error. Run this, give input 1 2 and 3 and it prints 1 and 3. Okay, again run, -1 -2 and -3, -3 -1, perfect. 10 20 and -5, and the answer is -520. Okay, as I expect, submit this. So browse max and min, open and submit. Reload the browser. Okay, this one is accepted. So I am end up this video here. See you on the next one. Till then, tata, bye bye.